Making a difference can continue even after death. Donating your body to science is a meaningful way to support medical research, improve surgical training, and help future treatments save more lives. But this decision requires careful planning, the right paperwork, and open conversations with your family. In this video, you'll learn how body donation works, how to choose a program, and how to make sure your wishes are clearly understood. Deciding to donate your body to science. Understand what body donation involves. Before death, you choose a program and complete the paperwork. After death, the program is contacted and may collect your body for medical research, anatomy study, safety testing, or surgical training. Choose between organ donation and full body donation. Organ donation can save lives and may still allow your family to hold a service, while body donation supports medical research and training. Consider how much control you want over how your body is used, since most body donation programs need the whole body. Understand that body donation is not always accepted. Some programs may reject bodies because of certain diseases, severe trauma, advanced decomposition, or other medical conditions. Research body donation programs in your state and compare their rules. Check costs, body transport, memorial options, when remains are returned, and how your body may be used. You can donate to a medical school or another approved program, so choose one you fully trust. Discussing your decision. Inform your doctor and family about your body donation decision in advance. This helps them follow your wishes quickly and avoid delays. Also, check transportation costs, as your family may need to pay if you die far from the facility. Discuss funeral or memorial options with your family. A traditional funeral with the body present may not be possible, but they can still hold a memorial service. Check whether the facility covers cremation, burial, or returning the remains, as some costs may fall to your family. Make a backup plan in case your body donation is not accepted. Tell your family what you want done instead, and put your wishes in writing. You may also be able to donate organs, even if full body donation is not possible. And filling out the paperwork to donate your body to science. Get the correct body donation forms from your chosen program. Complete and return the consent form, then carry any donor wallet card to show your wishes after death. Follow the form instructions carefully. Some programs may require witnesses, a family member, an attorney, or a notary before your body donation paperwork is valid. Update your paperwork after registering for body donation. Add the program details to your will and notify the program in writing if you ever change your mind. Inform your family about what to do after your death. Your next of kin, executor, or hospital may need to contact the donation program immediately, so keep the program's contact details easy to find. Thanks for watching.